Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to change the serpentine belt and AC belt in a 2006 Volkswagen 2.5 liter value edition. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pop the hood. Alright, I am back. So we have the hood open. So what you're going to want to do is go to the left side of the engine. And the first belt we're going to want to do is this left one here. And for that you need a 15 millimeter. And it's this tensioner. It's easier to get from the bottom. And that'll loosen the first belt there. That one's pretty easy. It just goes around there. And then under that. It's nice and easy. And then the next one here is the serpentine belt. And the tensioner for that is right here. And that goes up and around. Let's see here. I'll tell you how it goes once I get it off. Okay, let's see here. So, it goes around here. Then it comes up and around. Or no, it goes underneath this one. Then down. Around, then around that, and then down and around the AC. We'll get it out, and maybe I'll get a piece of paper here and I'll draw a diagram for you guys. So, I'm going to get that first belt off. 15 millimeter box end wrench or serpentine belt tool. You put it right on there, and you turn it counterclockwise, and it'll pull it that way, and it'll loosen up the tension on it. Alright, so I'm down here, so I thought I'd show you what you do. So you move it that way, and it'll release tension, and then you take the belt off. And that's the first one, that's the little belt. That's the easiest to get from the bottom. So then next, we'll go up, and we'll do the top belt. And as you can see here, let me see if I can get it down in there. So it goes around there, under that, down around there, and then down around the AC, back up, around, and then there's the tensioner right there. So, we'll get this off. Put your box end down in here. This one you pull towards you. And it'll relieve the tension. I can't grab the belt and film it, so what I'm going to do is I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. Alright, I got it off, so then you just loosen that up, remove your wrench, and then you get your belt out. Pretty simple. Alright, so we got it out. Now we'll get the new belt. Remember, the little one goes on the outside, and the big one goes on the inside. So I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back. Alright, we got the new serpentine belt in. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt, but we did it. So, just giving you a shot of how it goes. Goes under that, over that, down around that, and then down around the engine down there. Back up around to the tensioner. Back around, and then to the valve. So next, we're going to do the AC belt. So, same thing as we did when we took it off. 15 millimeter. That tensioner. I'm going to do this from underneath, so I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. Alright, we're down here. So, goes around there. Then you use your tensioner. Loosen it up. See if I can do this one-handed. Maybe not. And then you slip it around there. So, I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back. Alright, so they're on. That is how you change the AC and serpentine belt on a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta Value Edition. I hope this helped you out if you guys wanted to know how to change it and or how the belt went. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.